Okay, so finally, challenge 30. And this one, as I said from the previous challenges, that these are gonna be short videos, but they are really crucial. Like they are important videos. So go ahead and watch it. Right now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna use um, tip calculator. Okay. Oh, actually, we are gonna create a tip calculator. So what it's gonna say on this one? Imagine that you're in the restaurant and you get your total bill. Okay, so as you see over there, there's a tip part and there's a total part. Okay, so in this one, what it's gonna say, it is gonna ask what is your price, and you put your price on it, and then it's gonna give you 20% of your price like a tip. It's gonna calculate at 20%, and it's gonna show you that your tip is gonna be 20%, and the number which was stated over there, and it's gonna show you the total with your tip, and then it's gonna say if it's as you see over here, if it's more than $10, it's gonna say, hey, wow, that's a lot of money. And if it's less than 10, it's gonna say, wow, no, not wow, actually, not bad, not bad. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start it. I just loaded this girl, which is gonna be Rudy. I think her name is Rudy. Okay, and she's gonna be our waitress, and she's gonna calculate our price. So she's gonna first ask, what is your what is your I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right here and ask questions. Sensors. What is your price? What is your price? What is your price? Actually, what is your bill? Oh, check. Actually, check. That's fine. And it's gonna assign that number to one of the variables, right? Check. If it's not complicated, you can you can use that one as a that one that you can use instead of variables the other one, which is like answer and something different right there. So let's let's be quick, and so 20%, right? Now we have to say your pri your tip is, oh, actually we can use something different. Where is that? Okay, okay, so let's go ahead and make one more variable, which is the tip, and we have to assign that tip with 20%, right? So what? It's gonna be a little tricky right here because we have to get the check and times 0.20, right? So it's gonna give us 45.9. Okay, that's good. That's good. And it's gonna give us the tip number. So next step, it's gonna say your tip. Oh, actually joint. Where's the joint? Because we have to edit joint, right? Your tip is right here. 1 second, that's fine. And next one, your total. We have to wait 1 more minute and say again joins. Why we use the join? In order to join more than two texts. Okay, your total is, so what is next? Plus tip, the first check plus your tip, right? What? Hold a second. We gotta use this operator. Check and tip. And this is gonna be good. 45.9. Your tip, your total is 53. Okay. Now, now we have to calculate the 10%. Oh, now if it's bigger than $10, we have to say, hey, you are really good. No, actually it says, wow, it's a lot. Okay, so what we're gonna use again, we have to use if statement. However, in order to use if statement, we have to get a forever loop, right? So the next part, we have to compare the tip with number 10. So comparing, it's gonna work with this. If the tip is smaller than 10%, $10, it should say, wow, not bad. If it's bigger than the, wow, that's a lot. And here we go. What's your check? 85. What? What's your check? 85. Your tip is, and your is 100. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, that's how it works. Make sure you save it, and next, whenever you're done with it, just go ahead and fill out these questions. I'm gonna unlock this one right here. It's called random challenges. It's in unit 2, and after you are done with it, and you're good. Thank you for listening to me again. I hope you will have a really good summer.